and welcome to Learning with Fun, an educational channel wherein you will learn free English grammar lessons. My name is Reet Udhan and I am an English teacher from last 20 years. Before I start my lesson, don't forget to press the red subscribe button and click on bell icon to get the notification for our latest updates. Do like, comment and share the video. So let's begin the lesson. Today we will learn the parts of speech, which is the foundation of English grammar. We shall see what is the part of the speech and the types of parts of speech. So, what is a part of a speech? A name given to a word based on its function in a sentence is a part of a speech. They are divided into 8 types: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So let's see. The first type of speech is noun. A noun is the name of a person, as in Mahendra Dhoni, a place like Mumbai, an animal, for example, lion, a feeling of love or a feeling of hatred, and thing, example, a book. Dhoni is a cricketer. The name of a person here is Dhoni. So, Dhoni is a noun. Mumbai is a big city. The place mentioned in the sentence is Mumbai. So, Mumbai is a noun. The lion attacked the hunter. Lion is the name of an animal. So, lion is a noun. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is a feeling. So, it's a noun. So, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or a feeling. The next part of speech is pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid unnecessary and unpleasant repetition. For example, New Delhi lies to the north. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is a metropolitan city. Of course, that sounds very odd. Can you tell me what the problem is? Well, the problem is New Delhi is repeated again and again, and that is why it is very unnatural. To avoid this, we can write New Delhi lies to the north. It is the capital of India. It is a metropolitan city. So, it is a pronoun in this sentence. Let's see some more examples. David has many friends. He likes them. So here, instead of writing David twice, we have written and mentioned the word he. So he is the pronoun and them stands for friends. So instead of saying David likes them, we use the pronoun he. So he and them is the pronoun. Let's see the next sentence. We cannot live without water. In this sentence, we is the pronoun because it is used for the people, or individual, or a group of the people. So we is the pronoun in this sentence. You must submit your project by tomorrow. In this given sentence, you is the pronoun which describes the person or informs that he has to submit his project by tomorrow. So, pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid unnecessary and unpleasant repetition. The next part of speech is verb. A verb is a word used to show an action, state, position, or existence. For example, in an action, we can use the words like jumping, playing, or dancing, which reflects the person performing an action. And under state or position, it expresses the feeling of sad or happy. So, let's see with an example. The soldiers fought bravely. In this sentence, it describes about the soldier's action that they fought bravely. So the action of fighting is a verb. The next sentence says, she was very tired. In this statement, it reflects the action that the person is tired because it describes the mood of a person. So, tired is a verb. The next statement is, he is a lawyer. In this, is the existence of a lawyer. It expresses or reflects that the person is a lawyer. So, is the verb in this sentence. Therefore, verb is a word used to show an action, state, possession or existence in a sentence. Let's see the next type of speech. That's adjective. Adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun by adding some information about it. For example, he is an honest boy. Here, the quality of the boy is shown that the boy is honest. So honest is an adjective in this sentence. Let's see more examples. She wore a beautiful dress. In this sentence, the noun dress is described by adding the information that the dress is beautiful. So beautiful is the adjective in the sentence. John is a clever boy. In this sentence, it describes the noun John as being and adding the information that he is clever. So, clever is an adjective. The next statement is, the floor is cold. In this, the statement provides an additional information that how is the floor, and the floor is cold. So, cold is an adjective. So, adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun by adding some information about it. So let's see the next part of speech is adverb. Adverb is a verb that modifies a verb, an adjective or another verb. For example, he played on the ground. Well, how did he play? It tells that he played nicely on the ground. So, nicely describes how he played on the ground. So, in this statement, nicely is an adverb. She was speaking softly. Here, softly is describing the verb speaking. So, softly is an adverb here. The next statement is, Sandra is very beautiful. Here, very is describing the adjective beautiful. So, very is the adverb in this given sentence. John ran quickly. Here, quickly is describing the verb and an action ran. So, quickly is an adverb in the given sentence. Hence, an adverb is a verb that modifies a verb, an adjective or another verb. The next part of speech is preposition. Preposition is a word which is used in relationship or in link with noun, pronoun or with any other words. For example, a mango fell the tree. Here, if we read the sentence, we will come to know that we are talking about two nouns, that is mango and tree. But we are not able to understand the relationship between them. So let me rewrite the sentence with preposition. A mango fell from the tree. Now we are clear that the mango fell from the tree. So it shows a relationship between the mango and the tree. Let's see some more examples. He sat on the chair. Here, on is the preposition because it provides a relationship between the man and the chair. So, on is the preposition. The book belongs to Anthony. In this sentence, to is a preposition because it gives a relationship between the book and Anthony. So, to is a preposition in the sentence. The next example is she was hiding under the table. Here under is a preposition because it is giving us the relationship between the girl and the table. So under is the preposition in the sentence. Hence, a word used with noun or pronoun to show its relationship with something else or the other word is called as preposition. The next part of speech is conjunction. Conjunction is used to join or connect the words, clauses or sentences. For example, her school is far, she has to walk for minutes. So here we can connect the two sentences and combine them into one sentence and write. We can write the sentence as her school is far and she has to walk for minutes. So, do you notice we have combined both the sentences with the word and? So that is the role of the conjunction. Let us see some more examples. Tom likes to eat pizza, but Sarah likes to eat hamburger. Here in this sentence, but is the conjunction connecting the two different sentences and making it in one sentence. So, but is the conjunction. Let's see another example. The sun and the moon are heavenly bodies. In this sentence, and is the connecting word to the word sun and moon. So, and is the conjunction in this sentence. The next example, I am staying in because it's snowing. Here the conjunction is because. That is, it is connecting two sentences together and making it to a single sentence. Hence, conjunction is used to connect or join the words, clauses or sentences. And the eighth type of speech is interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotions. If you won a match or a tournament, how would you feel? Your reaction will be, "Hooray! We have won the match." So, hooray here is a sudden feeling or it gives an expression of joy. The next example, alas, the great scientist is no more. Here, alas is an expression of being sad. So, it is an interjection. The other example, wow, Alice did a very good job on her art project. In this sentence, wow is an expression of being wonderful. So, wow is an interjection. Yippee, we are done with our lessons. Here, yippee is an expression of happiness, so it is interjection. Hence, interjection is a word which expresses a sudden feeling or emotions. Well, that was a quick introduction on parts of speech, and you're going to get shortly a detailed video on each part of speech. So don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the latest updates, and do like, share and comment the video. Thank you, stay safe and happy learning.